Recommend ko sa board na ikaw ang mag-head ng Asian Business Complex Project.
Dad, it's been a while since I've worked in the company. So ba't ako? Alam nyo, if this is your way para iparamdam sa akin that I belong, hindi naman kailangan. I don't want you to risk your biggest project para lang.
Tinatama ko lang ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali ko, Edward. Nung paalisin kita, things started falling apart. Hindi lang sa kumpanya, pati na rin sa pamilya natin. Ngayong naghihil na ang family natin dahil sa pagbabalik mo, I think ikaw ang kailangan ng kumpanya para makabangon ulit.
Sigurado ba kayo?
Napatawad mo na ako bilang daddy mo. Ngayon, bilang boss mo, sana mapatawad mo na rin ako. So please, come back to the company.
I don't know what to say. Dad, thank you. Paolo, you don't know how much this means to me. Napangako ko sa inyo, gagalingan ko, tsaka hindi ko sasayangin itong opportunity. This is what it feels like to be acknowledged.
You deserve this more than anyone else. Toast?
Kape, Dad. Coffee. Why not? Cheers.
Sarap.
Pait.
Eto, creamer tsaka sugar eh.
Akala ko hindi mo nakatatawagan.
I changed my mind. Gusto kong marinig ang plano mo para makaganti ako kay Edward.
Scotch, please. You made the right decision, Thea. Huwag kang papaya na basta ka lang itapon ni Edward. You ought to make him pay for what he's done to you.
At paano ko naman gagawin yon?
If you wanna get even with him, get rid of Edward once and for all. Thank you.
Get rid of Edward? Cheater lang ako. Pero hindi ako mamamatay tao. Hindi ko makagawa yung sinasabi mo.
You see, I know for a fact that you can. Ang kapatid ni Marge, hindi ba you attempted to have him killed to protect your secret with Paolo? You are not above someone else's life para sa sariling kapakanan.
Hindi totoo yun. Aksidente yun. Hindi ko magagawa yung sinasabi mo. Lalo na kay Edward. Asawa ko pa rin siya. Ama pa rin siya ni Ashley.
Si Paolo ang ama ni Ashley. And you just said it yourself. Edward took everything away from you. Look, Thea. You and I have a lot in common. I know exactly how you feel pagdating sa mga Torrecampo. Dahil yan din ang minsang pinagdaanan ko. Kinuha nila ang lahat ng sa akin. Kaya bakit hindi na lang tayo magtulungan? Milo, tell me what you see. Wala ka nga dyan sa mga litratong yan eh. kung saan sila masaya sa family. And doesn't it seem that Edward is having a great time without you? After he took your home from you, your child? It's not even his, by the way. My point is, Thea, kinuha na nga lahat. Wala na nga siyang tinira para sa iyo. That one would expect na mas galit ka pa dapat kumpara sa pinapakita mo. But I wonder why. Bakit nga ba?
Tama ka. Matindi ang galit ko sa kanya. Pero hinding-hindi ko papatayin si Edward.
You're right. You're right. I'm sorry. I mean, what was I thinking? It was just an idea. An awful idea. Pero just like you, hindi ko magagawa yan. Because I'm not a murderer.
You know what? I think it was a wrong idea na nakipagkita pa ako sa'yo. Goodbye.
Hindi ko kailangan yung tulong mo, Thea. May iba pang paraan to get rid of the trash and the family that it belongs to.
So, yung kulay puti.
To?
Oo, yung puti.
Tapos na yung lunch meeting niyo?
Yes. It went very well. Umayag na rin si Edward. You know what? I'm just glad after everything, things are getting better in our lives. Si Jasmine, in remission na. At si Ashley, may progress na sa therapy.
How? Ngayon na okay ng lahat? Pwede ba akong bumalik sa trabaho? I want to pursue my career.
I understand. Siyempre, gusto mong ituloy yung dream mo na isinantabi mo para sa amin. Kailangan mo rin ng growth.
So, papayag ka? Okay sa'yo?
Bakit ka pa nagtatanong sa akin? Ha? You can do whatever you want, love. And I will support you 100%. But thank you. Thank you for valuing my thoughts about it. I really appreciate it. Oo nga pala, tamang-tama. Kailangan ni Edward ng mapagkakatiwalaan para sa Asian Business Complex Project. Kung gusto mo, usapan niyo.
Thank you, love.